Postman's has dropped off my air filter for the HKS mushroom. So could have come while I was servicing the car, but never mind, it's going to get done now. Undo this, and then we're just going to pull the mushroom filter out. As you can see, this one hasn't been replaced and half of it's perished away, so this definitely needs doing. But yeah, unscrew a little cap out the middle there, take the old one out, and we're just going to sit that one back in there. Put your screw back in. Put your filter back, and we're good to go. I tell you what, after this service, I don't think the fuel filter's been done for a long time, and the air filter. There is just so much more torque, and it just feels a lot more lively.
Several days later.
Well, hello guys. I'm at Banksy's again. We met up with him in Blackpool yesterday. Stayed at our house, had a wonderful evening, really good day. Brought him back to Stockport today, and we're now doing a seat swap. He wants this dark grey WRX interior that I have in here for the blue STI interior. It doesn't have the door cards, as I showed you in the last video with Banksy. He's got the GT8 door cards, but the seats, they're new age. Got me a 14mm and my 12mm, so we're going to get these seats out, them seats out, swap them over. Happy days. Hey, they are undoing nice and easy. I did actually WD-40 around the bolts before we set off, so I think that made everything a bit easier. We've got the rear bench out, just need to get the back out and just carry on unbolting. We're all unbolted, so out with this now, I guess.
Later that day. Much later.
Voila. In and out through the back. Thanks for just taking that back one off. It's sad really, because I'm going to lose the little fold down arm there, but I never use it anyway. Just hope my daughter don't notice. Oh, she's here. Woo, Forester. What's sweet pie? One phone. So while Banks is just doing those ones, I may as well get the tools and go and start whipping his out. There it is. Yeah, this being a classic, pretty older than mine, and these, without a nugger, they're a bit of a pain in the ass, but we can try and get a bit of leverage with the old foot. There you go. Now for the frontage. Can't beat a bit of wrenching on a Scoob, don't matter what it is, it's just always a pleasure. Well, the seats are in. The seats that I actually took out of Banksy's were UK STI seats, and these are JDM STI seats from a Widetrack. So after removing the original ones and putting them in, Banksy then says, no, I have another set in the garage for you. It's all good. Like I say, I'll have to source some door cards. He didn't really have any. Well, he didn't have any, should I say. But yeah, I'm loving it. It really brightens it up. Yeah, super chuffed. Well, little by little, I'll get it where I want it to be eventually. Don't need to rush these things.
Flashback.
You never said out about that.
I kept quiet. I went and got it yesterday.
Whoa!
It's bigger than I thought. I know they do a
scale,
small
aren't
one.
they?
Yeah, and then the felony's like very similar, different body, but it's got like a bigger chunk of back tyres. This one, it's got an handbrake.
Yeah, I didn't know Nathan had an infraction.
I did.
Mental. So he's gonna bed it in and just go for it. Here it comes. Woo. Surface is a little rough and that thing's low and goes like.
It got my big toe, that.
Look at the colour of it.
I think it was that diffuser off the back, right on my toe. Right on my big toe. Whoa, look at them little vents. That is pretty nuts, that. Can't believe the battery's still going. Whoa, first juice was a bit of a grim one.
Tyres look to be holding up though, don't they, while it's wet?
Yeah.
I suppose that's a positive.
I bet I'm not even warm.
So it's been running what, 10 minutes?
Is that, do you reckon?
The colour of it. No, it's just the colour of it. Look, there's big storms everywhere. Look at this thing. Jesus Christ.
We'll turn it upside down in a second and get rid of at least some of it. That is horrible. I asked for it though, really, didn't I, in these conditions?
That blew the tyres. That blew his tyres.
Yes.
It's fucking crackers. Doing.
That's definitely getting shredded now. 100%.
Yeah.
That's
Fair dues. This infraction's sick. Yeah. What a machine.
There's some foam.
More foam. More foam. Woo!
How is it like, it's still like not flat?
There's no foam.
Foam's well gone. Just the same old stuff. He's just destroying this WRX now. He's got the infraction. This don't matter no more.
So we only managed to blow the tyres, blew some foam on the WRX. Infraction were fine. Like I say, it was a bit last minute really. I didn't even know he had it. Basically just trying to kill the WRX, didn't work, so maybe next time. But anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, all that.